Today, CommunityBuild Ventures hosted as Atlanta Grows the Forum. We convened leaders from foundations, government agencies, and nonprofits to have a conversation on how do we create prosperous pathways for Atlanta's facing injustice.
This work is important. Atlanta, we need to come together and figure out how do we collectively build an agenda that's going to work for every area in this community.
It's important when you have, minorities that are going to become the majority soon, that we understand that all of our lives are intertwined, and all of our future and our present is also intertwined. So this is about creating more opportunities for all communities, for all children.
We are in a critical time in our region, in our nation, and philanthropy has to put itself in a position to act boldly and courageously to begin to push back against the many challenges that our most vulnerable communities are facing.
Community organizing is an investment, it's a long-term investment because we have to create a mindset. Our communities are the first impacted by policies, by racial profiling. They are the ones that should be up front. This is one principle that we have.
Well, there are many themes that came up today that I thought was really compelling. One is around this notion of risk. Risk is an invented construct. I also think this concept of intersectionality it's an ongoing theme, but how we understand that people and community, we all experience issues in multiple ways. I also think this concept of organizing and the role of organizing lies not only in grassroots organization, but in philanthropy, in the public sector.
Real change can only happen from the bottom up and not from the top down. Philanthropy has to be more courageous in their willingness to not only invest over longer periods of time, but also support frontline organizations that are at the heart of and see the challenges that we're experiencing in many other communities that we serve.
We hope that as a next step for the participants that gave all of their time and attention, that they would create a call to action on how to move past the barriers that's preventing them from investing in Atlantans facing injustice. We also hope that they begin to collaborate and continue the conversation that they've started today.